Welcome back to Our Family B. My name is Brigitte, and this is our Christmas decorating vlog. So we're going to show you what we did to decorate our house for Christmas. But first, we need to clean everything up because kids make huge messes, and we had to reorganize this, and we moved the chest freezer over. If you can see it on the right side, it used to be where the other cube bookshelf was under our core values sign on the wall there. And so we moved things around a little bit, and we had to, oh, there goes our GoPro that's nailed to the wall. So we moved everything around and then brought all the bins down, and we are starting to go through them now. And wow, isn't that ring light amazing? One of my favorite things about Christmas time is getting to see all the decorations and everything that you haven't seen since last year. And it just brings back all the memories, and it's such a great time. And we blast the Christmas music for sure. Tell me in the comments below, what's your favorite part about Christmas?
Hey. So let's talk about Christmas. Hey.
Let's talk about Christmas trees.
Because they're so expensive.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
And I think they might have gotten more expensive this year. I actually prefer real ones.
Yeah, and we have
Do you care?
We have stories. I actually kind of prefer fake because I don't like when all the needles fall off and then I have to vacuum them up.
And the first year of our marriage, or first or second year before we had kids, somebody might have left the tree to die and wither and get dry and leave needles over a large area of the living room until early February, maybe late January, something like that.
Yeah, and it just, we forget to water them, and...
But I like them better, and so we committed, and we're gonna do it, and we're gonna get a real tree. And so we went tree shopping today. And you know what we found?
They are pricey.
They're really expensive. Okay, I was prepared to spend $50. And I felt like that was a lot, but $50, sometimes you can get them the Home Depot or Lowe's, parking lot shops, maybe $60. Mm-hmm. They aren't open yet. It's the day before Thanksgiving right now when we're filming this. Mm-hmm. And we went to this other tree shop, and it'll probably be similar. Any tree that wasn't the janky one, with the disorder that left patches of it open, was bare minimum, if it was 5 or 6 feet tall, $98.
That's just a lot of money.
Maybe it's different where you live.
So we were talking about it, and we were like, you know what? We're gonna skip it. We're gonna use our little tree again, and we're gonna be frugal because that's $100 we could spend on something else, on presents, on giving to our church, on food. So we decided, hey, we don't need a real tree. So we're gonna, in this
one
season,
day,
yeah,
we will get one.
Maybe next year will be a totally different situation. Maybe finances will be different. Maybe we'll be in a different place. Who knows? So we decided for this year, we're just gonna do the fake tree. And you know what? It's okay.
Yeah.
Just because everyone around you is doing something doesn't mean that you have to. Just because, society says you need, X, Y, or Z to be happy this Christmas season, it doesn't make that true. So.
But we want to know, is there something that you do for Christmas that you spend money on that you feel guilty about spending money on because you know it's actually not the wisest choice? Would I love to have a huge tree for Benjamin to be excited about? Yes. But even more, I'd love for us to be able to just not stress about finances. And I know that some folks go out and spend a lot of money on Christmas decorations because I feel like they have to. If there's something you've been spending too much money on for Christmas decorations, presents you think you probably shouldn't be buying, tell us in the comments. Just pour your guts out. Pour something, your soul, out in the comments. We want to know about it. We're confessing to you, we've spent too much money on trees before. We are not doing it this year. We are using the little tiny piece of tree that she had before we got married.
Oh, also though, the majority of our Christmas decorations that you're gonna see, we got in years past after Christmas when everything goes on 75 to 90% sale because the stores just want to get rid of it. And if you want to buy cheap ornaments and cheap Christmas decor, wait until after Christmas, buy it, then store it away for next year.
Yeah, because they gotta get rid of that inventory and it's super marked down. Anyway, back to the Christmas decorating.
Look here, Bree.
Is that all the bins?
Yeah, it's everything.
Where's my Christmas hat?
Might be in here, bud.
Oh, maybe
Stockings.
Stockings. Oh, here it is.
There's your hat.
Look.
Daddy's hat.
Ho, 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 ho.
Look what we got. Remember these? Yeah, look. This is one for you and one for Brielle.
Look. Big
I
stocking.
forget where's this food.
This is how we decorate for Christmas. Christmas decorating is what we call it. Look, there's a tree, and children, and a wife, and stockings, hung by the fake chimney with very little care, in hope that we'll get some new clothes to wear.
And you know what would be really awesome under your tree this year is one of our very own DIY Natural Lip Balm Kits. We just launched this paid product, our first paid product, this week, and we have about 2 weeks until the last shipping day. So if you want one of these for under your Christmas tree this year, go ahead and click the link in the description box below or head on over to our website, OurFamilyB.com. And the best part is that by purchasing a kit this month, you will help in the fight against human trafficking. We're donating 10% of our profits from our DIY Natural Lip Balm Kit to Hope for Freedom. Every kit you purchase will help to support their mission to raise awareness, build partnerships, and bring hope and restoration to victims of modern-day slavery. It's cute, it's fun, it's affordable, so what are you waiting for? We might be considering replacing these light bulbs with LEDs because, I mean, these are so old, and now half of the strand doesn't work.
And I know you can replace the bulb, but like...
Which I remember growing up doing.
They're so cheap now. Yeah, I used to replace them all the time. Anyway.
I mean, I know Costco has really good sales on LED Christmas lights, so I think we might do that because...
Oh my gosh.
And I don't even know if they sell those extra bulbs.
Well, we have to stop what we're doing right now. Alright, let's try that before we try something. They were on and then it got bent and then it's not. You excited, Brielle?
Benjamin.
Okay. Let's try it again.
Okay, this is gonna be awesome.
Next up, we are setting up the nativity scene, or is it nativity scene? We have a debate about that in our house, so if you could help us out and comment below, capital A for nativity and lowercase a for nativity, we'd like to settle this once and for all this Christmas season. So we got this at Costco a couple years ago, and it's been awesome. So back over to the Christmas tree, we're just putting on some ornaments. I have a whole bin of ornaments that I have made since I was, a child, and my parents have kept them for me. And we just add the kids' ornaments to it every year, and it's just such a cool thing to be able to look at all the ones from my childhood and be able to hang them up with the kids, and there you have it. We hope you loved this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up because it really helps out our channel. If you haven't already grabbed your DIY Natural Lip Balm Kit, then click the link in the description box below. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the button down below and change the notification bell up to all so you don't miss when we post new videos. And to check out more videos we've done, click below. Until we meet again, don't forget, life is better together.